Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're just going to be doing a quick startup on my car. It's been like about, I think 3 months since I started my car. So yeah, we're going to go start that. But first, let's take to pack this bad boy up. I also got J rolled for when we go outside. Leave that over there. Okay. My keys. Cheers. That is dead. Cheers. I felt like I was gonna lose it. Okay, let's go inside. Okay guys, we found our first little problem here. I should have realized the battery probably dead. So I'm gonna have to fix that, swap out the battery, well, charge it, and then see if we can start this bitch. I'm gonna charge this. I know how close my face is. Just a simple charge of the battery. Hopefully they'll fix it. Hopefully I don't need a new battery is what I'm trying to say. Cause I really don't want a new battery. Cause that would suck. Okay. Set this bad boy up. Whoa. I really need to wash this car too. Holy fuck. What's up? Watch the camera.
Huh?
Watch the camera, please.
Oh, watch the camera. Is it on?
Yes, it is.
Hello! You really have the camera on right now. Oh my. Nah.
Now that we got that set up out the way, now we can smoke. So I had this problem about my Genesis. It leaks really, really bad. It's leaking from the taillights. I don't know if it has like there's a small gap between where like it sticks to the car. So I'm probably gonna have to change that out. I could probably fix it by just putting like some kind of foam in between. Shitty ass roll. I could probably fix that by putting a piece of foam in between the body of the car and and the lights. But I'm probably just gonna end up getting new ones. They're like $400 a piece, so we'll see how that goes. Right now we're just charging the battery, and as soon as we're done this J, we'll see if we can give it a quick start, and we'll turn it on. If you guys want more videos on the Genesis, just let me know, and I'll start posting a lot more. As soon as it gets nice and warm out, we can start filming more outside, especially now with quarantine and shit, you can't leave. But like in the summertime, we'll be making more videos with the Genesis and more bike videos. I don't have a bike yet, but I'll get one in the summertime. And we're back. Now, it's not 100% charged. Let's see what it is. It's like, I think it's saying it's pretty much dead, but like, let's try it out. Dun, dun, dun. I see lights on. Lights are on. Bum, bum, bum. This hand. Dow, dow, dow. Oh, I'm hearing dings. Let's check it out. Hey, just enough. Let's go. Hey, we got a full tank of gas. We can run this bitch. Been a minute. Still haven't hit. Oh. Not even 100 yet. Not bad, not bad. It's been a minute since this car has been started, so needs to run a little bit. Oh, I miss this thing. I fucking miss this thing. Jesus. Oh, I can't wait. Cannot wait for the summertime. Bringing all the neighbors outside. Jesus, yo. Forgot how loud this bad boy was. Okay, car is finally warming up. Jeez, it took forever. Let's go turn on that other camera. Beep. There we go. Let's give it a couple laps. My neighbors fucking hate me. That's all I wanted to do. Take it back inside. Okay. Bop. No. Okay. Ow. Hey, what's up, guys? That's it. I ended up leaving my car running for about 15 minutes, you know, after I did that little blaps. So after that, I did let the car run for about 15 minutes. You know, let it get. It's been like 3 months since I had that thing started. So it needed to run a little bit. I got plenty of gas in that bitch. So finally did that. I've been needing to start that car for so long. I've just been really lazy on it. Just cause, you know, like I said, the thing with the water, like being leaking and shit, it just pisses me off. Like, I don't even want to deal with the car. And I know it's a simple fix of just the tail lights, and I will get on that. I'll actually make a video on that as well. And that's a simple, quick fix, and I just haven't done it. It's a simple, quick fix, but it's expensive for the tail lights, yo. It's like, if I'm gonna spend that kind of money, I want, like, I don't know, I just want something else. I don't want tail lights, you know. So if you have the same problem, let me know, because that's fucking bullshit. I hate that shit. Anyways, let's pack this toke. Let's take it. Let's get to the end of the video. You later. In my nose stop. Bam. Let's take this toke. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.